So you joined us the morning after the day before, and luckily for us, our first open day of the year, we were blessed with amazing sunshine. Not only that, but there was a gap in the whole COVID restrictions, so we could really open the doors and welcome people to our site here in Stratford-upon-Avon. We think early numbers suggest something like around 250 people came. And of course, we opened up all three departments here. Our showrooms were open and on hand for people to ask questions about the cars that we sell, and for those people that want to maybe us to sell their car. So that happened here throughout the showrooms. Our technicians were on hand within the workshops to answer some technical questions. I think we solved one or two issues for some people, as well as I think managed to book a couple of cars in for customers that were wanting to get their cars done before various events that they're going to for this year. So that was great. Our AMG section was open for the first time, and people were able to have a look around and see what our skill and experiences are around that aspect of the workshop. We had 2 rally cars that we're preparing that are almost ready to leave us. Everybody in the parts team were here showing people the vast stores that we have and the extensive inventory that we have, as well as helping people put some money in our till on the day as well. And we did manage to sell quite a few parts for customers that wanted things like wind deflectors, which we were fitting on site. Outside we had the race cars which were running up and down, which gave people an experience of what it's like for our classic race team that take those cars out on track. We had the food trucks here, which were keeping people fed and watered throughout the day. It really was a great kind of family atmosphere, and could be the start of many of the sort of membership meetings and mini meets that we're starting to have. We've got another open day later on in the year, and we're really looking forward to welcoming people back or new people through our premises. For those of you that did turn up, and those of you that came and spent the duration and really engaged with the staff here, thank you. The staff loved it as much as you did, and it's a great team building exercise for me here. So a really great day, and we can't wait for the next one. Thank you again.